Writing is one of the most significant and the most challenging module of IELTS exam. Most of the candidates more or less appear the problem of IELTS writing. You need to know ins and outs of IELTS writing. In this video, I'll be sharing how IELTS writing is tested. So, keep watching. IELTS writing, either task 1 or task 2. Both tasks are assessed by 4 criteria. So now I'm going to focus on 4 criteria step by step. First of all, task achievement. In task 1, you will be assessed by task achievement. This is more important to know about the requirements of task achievement. So let's begin. Task achievement, it means you have to point out precise information. You have to write down accurate information to meet the requirement of task achievement. Explicitly highlight the key features or key stages. That's going to be counted as a task achievement too. Provide an overview. What is more, supporting details with the given data of the question. So, if you meet this requirement, your task achievement should be remarkably done. In task 2, you don't have to meet the requirement of task achievement. Most importantly, you have to meet the requirement of task response. Now let's talk about task response in task 2. To meet the task response, answering the question, fully address all part of the task. You must have more supported and developed points. Moreover, if question asks for any opinion, you must give that. Furthermore, must give a conclusion. So, your job is entirely done to meet the requirement of task response in IELTS writing task 2. Okay, now let's talk about coherence and cohesion. It's for both, either task 1 and task 2. Examiner will be assessed your writing task 1 and task 2 in terms of coherence and cohesion. So now let's talk about what inside coherence and cohesion. To meet the requirement of coherence and cohesion, either in both tasks, you have to organize information. The question is how? Very simply, you can organize your ideas into paragraphs. Very especially in task 2, you must have one central idea in each paragraph. Now the key things for coherence and cohesion, that is using a range of linking devices. So connect your ideas into paragraph with a range of linking devices. Now let's talk about lexical resources. Either in task 1 or task 2 of your IELTS writing, use very less common words in task 1 and task 2. If you use paraphrasing, it would be a fantastic job to obtain a good band score. Using collocation will be a greater advantage to obtain a high band score from your IELTS writing. So, you can use different collocations. If you aim for a high band score, don't forget to spell correctly. It's most important to say that avoid errors as much as you can. So, if you meet these requirements, you will obviously meet the lexical resources either in task 1 and task 2 of your IELTS writing. Finally, grammatical range and accuracy. Okay, let's talk about grammatical range and accuracy. Most significantly, either in writing task 1 and writing task 2, if you aim a high band score from your IELTS writing, use a wide range of sentence structures. Obviously, you must use different tenses. Another key thing is punctuation. Punctuation is very crucial. That can degrade your band score. So, know how to use a punctuation. For example, comma, full stop, exclamation, semicolon, inverted comma, and so on. Finally, avoid grammatical errors as much as you can. So, your task is done. If you meet the requirements of task achievement, task response, coherence and cohesion, lexical resources, and finally, grammatical range and accuracy of your IELTS writing. If you meet these requirements appropriately or efficiently, certainly you must obtain a high band score from your IELTS writing. I think this information of my video will be your immense help. If you think that, give a thumbs up. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe on my channel to obtain upcoming all videos. I hope to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful IELTS preparation. Have a wonderful IELTS writing. Thanks for watching. Bye.